Hello dear friends! In this video I'm making gingerbread cookies. What's Christmas without gingerbread? As always, you can find the list of ingredients below the video. I pour honey into a pot with a thick bottom or a saucepan, add lemon juice and all the spices, bring to a boil while stirring. When the mixture boils, I turn off the heat and add baking soda. I stir with a spatula. Foam should form, like in my video. I add unsalted butter and stir until fully dissolved. I let the mixture cool slightly and add a chicken egg. The mixture should not be hot, otherwise the egg will curdle. I add flour in portions and stir. I knead the dough by hand on the board. It should turn out very soft and elastic like in my video. I divide it into 3 parts. This is for convenience when working with it. I wrap it in plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. You will need cutters for the gingerbread. Use the ones you have. Take 1 part of the dough out of the refrigerator. Roll it out with a rolling pin to a thickness of about 2 to 3 millimeters. You can make the gingerbread thinner or thicker. Their thickness determines how soft they will be. Cut the cookies with a mould. Using a scraper, transfer them onto a silicone mat. I will bake on a silicone mat placed on a baking sheet. Send the gingerbread to bake in a preheated oven. I will indicate the baking temperature and time below the video. I diluted gold candurin with vodka and paint the gingerbread on the back with this mixture. You can also use icing, paint, and make an outline. It all depends on your imagination. Anyone can make such gingerbread. The sweetness, lemon tang, and spices are perfectly balanced here. I hope you like it. Cook with pleasure.